Okay, Tiger, you know what? We need to stir maybe another. There we go, guys. Big scoop. Yes.
Okay. Hi YouTube kids, welcome to TigerBox. Today, my dad made his hot sauce.
Yep, Daddy made their own hot sauce,
His
guys,
own
right there.
hot sauce.
Let me show you guys. This is what we're doing today.
Yep.
It's called wrap hot sauce. Okay, Tiger. So what are we doing first?
First, we will need glasses.
All right, glasses. Let me find mine.
Next, we need gloves.
And glove.
All we need to do is put it
Okay.
on.
So what we're doing is we fill the bottle with hot sauce. So these are empty bottle,
Yep.
clean, sanitized bottle. And the hot sauce is cooking back there. See
Yep.
it? Let's see, right there. Okay, you got your glove on, Tiger?
I have difficulty right now.
Let me help Tiger. Okay, Tiger, hand.
Difficulties.
This glove is large, so it's not made for a small kid. Okay, hand, Tiger. Put your hand this one.
It's also sticky.
Yeah. Got it? Okay. There you got it. Okay, it is. That's my
Yep.
glove. Tiger, where's your glove?
We're ready.
Okay, first thing we do is we gotta cook the hot sauce. Let's go cook the hot sauce, Tiger.
All right.
Okay,
We're stirring.
Tiger is stirring the hot sauce.
Smells good.
Yeah, and it's on medium heat right now. So it's been cooking for a while.
Yep.
And baby Seth is joining us. Hi, baby Seth.
Oh, you want some? Look.
Yeah, it's hot, baby Seth. I don't know you want some.
I don't want some.
Yeah, look at
Super
that.
hot.
Ooh, that's perfect, Tiger. Let's give it, okay, Tiger, you know what? We need to stir it maybe another 2 minutes, okay?
Okay,
Go
2
ahead,
minutes.
go ahead and stir it for 2 minutes. That smells good. Yeah. Yeah, you got this. There you go. Tiger, you doing a good job, Tiger. You got your glass on, Tiger?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
So it won't fly in my eyes.
Okay, earlier I chopped up all the hot pepper, blended. Now we're stirring it now. Okay, it's on medium heat. Okay,
I think it's almost done.
almost done. Okay, let's turn the flame off. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, keep stirring it. Okay, baby Seth is wearing his glasses. Good job, baby Seth. Okay, watch out, Tiger. That is a hot pot, okay?
Yep, this is hot sauce in a cooking pot.
Yeah, so what we're doing is we fill the bottle
All
with the
these
hot sauce.
bottles. Well, maybe a couple though.
Okay, so Tiger.
And then the next two items we need is a funnel
Funnel?
and a soup spoon.
Yep, a big soup spoon.
Okay, all you need to do is open
Okay,
one
go
of
ahead,
these.
open the bottle up.
There we go. I
Okay,
can get the help
good
with
job.
this one right here.
Okay, let me see. Okay, there is Tiger. Tiger, go ahead and put on top of the cap. So don't let it touch the. There you go.
Cement.
Yeah, don't let that cut the ground. So it's clean. Get the empty bottle.
Okay, all you need is the funnel
Get the funnel.
right here.
Okay, good job.
All you need is the soup spoon, and now we do this. We dip it.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's get a big scoop.
Big scoop.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, be careful. Okay.
Oh no,
There we go. Look, guys.
you got on the
Look at that.
floor a little.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, keep filling it up, Tiger. Okay, perfect. Good job, Tiger.
Now we need more
Yeah,
scoops.
there you go. Big scoop. There we go. Be careful. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that. Okay, now we just need a little bit more. Not that much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. More than that. Like right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, a little more. Just a little more. A little more, like that.
Okay.
Oh, that's it. Okay, let's put that down.
Got one down.
Okay, go ahead and put the funnel there and the cap now. So you got it?
Okay. All we need is to put it on.
Okay, you hold it. Okay, perfect. Snap it in.
Now snap.
Now close the cap.
You can see it's right here. Closing it tight.
Yeah, close it tight.
There
There
you
you
go.
go. Now what I tell you what you have to do?
Huh? Oh yeah, we gotta put it upside down.
And shake it.
Right here. And then shake it.
Yeah, make sure no leak. No leak?
I don't see one yet.
Okay, perfect. Now go ahead and put aside, far away. There we go. Now get another bottle
Okay.
and do the same thing. Good job, Tiger. Okay, Tiger do excellent job right now. All right, he did it by himself. And then go ahead to the funnel. Grab the funnel. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we'll clean it up. And go ahead and let's put closer.
Big scoop, Dad.
Yeah, right there. Okay, go ahead. Big scoop, guys. Big scoop. Like this.
Turn this pot over. Big boy scoop.
Yep, big boy scoop. Go ahead, Tiger. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh yeah, that is tasty hot sauce. Tasty hot sauce. Fresh, tasty hot sauce, Tiger. Okay, okay, good job, Tiger. See how my body can feel. Okay, a little more bigger scoop. There we go.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, perfect, perfect. Yes, go ahead and put the funnel here. Okay.
We're running out of hot sauce right now.
Yep. So I think we'll fill 3 bottles. Yeah, we'll clean the mess. And go ahead and I'll hold it. Push it in. Push the cap in.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, there you go. Put the cap tight. Super tight. Okay, guys, this is hot sauce from Tiger, guys. This hot sauce is made from Tiger. Shake it.
Shake it.
Yep. You tighten it.
Yep, I tighten it good.
Okay, nothing leaking.
Nope.
Okay, go ahead and put that bottle aside. Grab an empty bottle. I think I got an empty
Oh
bottle.
yeah, right here. If you get a sign right there, it says right here. Shake well before using.
Yeah, shake well before using.
So
Go
you
ahead
can
and
mix it all in.
grab another bottle. Good job, Tiger.
Okay.
Are we, baby? Are we? Okay, you got it? Perfect. Go ahead, get a funnel.
Funnel? Yep, and put it here. Now get big scoop.
Big scoop. There we go, guys. Big scoop. Yes. Big scoop.
I think we can fill
3 bottles?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we may enough to fill 3 bottles. Then I gotta mix some more later next time.
Yep.
Okay, keep filling it. Yes. Okay, a little more.
I don't think we're gonna make a little bit more for a 4th one.
Okay, go ahead. A little more. Put a little more. Just a little more. Yeah, that little bit. There you go. Perfect, Tiger. Good job. Go ahead and take the funnel out. Do it in.
This
And
is to make a 4th one.
no, we don't have enough, Tiger. We'll do it later.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and put the. Good job, Tiger. You're doing a good job.
Okay.
Okay, let me hold it for you. Okay. Put the cap on.
Cap on. Now let's put it tight.
Put it tight. Baby Steph is helping out back there.
Okay. Now
Good.
we
Shake
need to
it.
Shake.
Yes, good job, Tiger.
No leak.
No leak. Okay, perfect. Okay, go ahead and put it down. Now we'll put the label. Okay, Tiger.
Okay.
Okay, let's clean up a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, say we'll be back.
We'll be back, guys.
Okay, guys, we're back, Tiger.
Now we get the stickers.
Now we got the label.
Get the labels.
The wrap hot sauce label.
Ooh, Lad, if you can feel it, it's hot a little.
Yeah, it's still warm from the cooking, huh? Yeah. So what we did was now what we're gonna do is peel the label and
Okay.
stick it on the hot sauce.
Do
Got
we
it,
peel
Tiger?
it right now?
Yeah, go ahead, peel it, Tiger.
What?
There you go, there you go. Okay, here you go. I got one for you. All right, Tiger. Go ahead and put it. Don't put it upside down, okay? Put it right. So we're gonna do hold, you put bottom flat or hold like that. Okay, I'll go and do one for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm lining it up.
Okay, make sure you see how this one's like this, Tiger?
Mm-hmm.
Not like that. See?
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. Up, higher.
Higher what?
No. You want it right here, Tiger. You want it right. I'll show you. Hang on. There's a line too. You can see a line.
I know, I see that. It was just right there where I was gonna
put
put
it.
it.
Okay, you can put it right.
In the middle?
See, okay, here you go, Tiger. Okay. So,
Okay.
you see now is we're gonna do is like wrap like this, hang on, like this. Just gonna turn it around, turn the bottle around, just use your hand.
Okay, I got you now. And there we go.
There you go, guys.
All we need is one more thing
There
for
you
that.
go.
We need one more thing on it.
What?
This.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do all of them first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got this one done. Let's put this on the side here.
Okay.
You go ahead and do the next one. Any help? You need help?
Yeah.
Take it. Yeah. How about I line up for you and then you go ahead and wrap it. Got it? Okay. So it's kind of tricky, guys.
Yeah.
So if you want to buy this bottle, you might have to ask your dad and mom. Okay, guys?
Yep.
Yeah, Tiger, you let them know, okay? And there's a link below that'll take you to the website.
Yep.
It's called Wrap Hot Sauce. Let's see. Oh, you got yours already?
No.
This is a lot of work.
This for a sticker.
Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, then line for you and then you do the rest. Got it, Tiger?
Okay.
Okay, let me get kind of line again. Okay, all right. Hang on. Good job.
Okay.
So now we got, how many bottles we did, Tiger? Let's line up.
We need.
Who line up with that?
Okay.
There it is.
Yep.
Okay, now what we need, oh, what up? This one's finished with it. Got the wrong one. Okay. Now we need is to put the gold seal, see?
Yep.
Here's the gold seal, yeah. See the gold seal? We gotta put that. Okay, let me get it, okay?
Okay. Me too. Woo.
Yeah. Say, hi guys, you miss me? Hi guys.
Okay.
Okay, here you go, show. Now we're putting the
Hi
seal.
guys.
Yes, Tiger!
You miss me?
Good, you know what? We have 3 in it, Tiger. Wait up. There's 3. Let's take it out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hang on, let's see.
Let me see. I can do it.
There's 1. Go ahead and put on top.
And one of them.
2.
Then 3.
3.
I think what we do.
See? There it is, guys.
What? How does this stay still?
So we gotta heat it up. It'll
This has
shrink.
to be-
Yeah, then we gotta heat it up, Tiger. Then we'll
Oh, you
shrink.
heat it up with shrink?
Yeah, see?
What?
Then that's the cap. Then we put all it's gold. Then it is. Okay, we gotta heat it up.
Come on, let's make them tight first.
Okay, we'll be back, guys.
Yep.
Tiger, what you doing, Tiger? Okay, so we got the hair dryer. You see?
Yep.
So we got this is the hair dryer. It produces heat. So it does heat shrink the shrink wrap,
Yep.
and it will seal the hot sauce. Okay.
Yep.
You know what? Before we gotta do it, Tiger.
And the way you open it is this thing right here.
Yeah, there's a little thing where you tear and you open it. But you want to make sure it's tight first, Tiger. Okay. Let's do this. Let's make sure it's tight first. Okay. Oops. Okay, good. Okay, that's all tight. All tight. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, go ahead. Tie it. And then you want to go ahead and blow dry it. Okay, one at a time. Okay.
Hold on. Make it tight in first.
Yeah.
And then how we activate this?
Go ahead and turn on.
Where?
Right there. Push.
What's the low, higher?
No, it's not hot right now. So guys, it's not hot right now. No, it's good, yeah, lower. And go ahead, drink it. Let's show the. Okay guys, let's show it. Let's shrink, watch.
Oh, look, see it.
Let's shrink with it. There you go, guys. The heat actually make it shrink. There you go. Almost done. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, now it's sealed. Tiger, see now it's sealed, see?
Yep. Okay, I do the
So
next one.
Tiger will do the next one. Go ahead, Tiger, do it. Yeah, that right there, that, yeah.
Does it shrink my hand though?
No, just shrink that, Tiger.
Okay.
There you go. Good job, Tiger. Nice.
Done?
Don't forget the top. There you go. Almost done. You want to make sure there's no bubble. See no bubble? So seal it from leaking. And we'll ship it to the customer.
Okay, done?
Alright, good job,
I
Tiger.
think I did it better than you.
Oh, that looked way better than Daddy. Look at that. Look at Tiger. He did that. Good job, Tiger. Okay, next one, Tiger. Next one. Yes. Good job, Tiger.
Part two. Okay.
Alright, guys. Here it is. Look, we're done. Now, we will put this on the website and then we'll sell it. So if you guys, hi, come here.
For one, it's $12, or that's for sale actually.
Yep, so you can go to the website called Wrap Hot Sauce, right there, wraphotsauce.com, and you will find our hot sauce. And this one, hopefully you guys get these three. This is made from Tiger.
These are there's gonna be 3 lucky winners.
3 lucky winners from Tiger. You know what, Tiger? You should sign them. You want to sign them?
Yeah, but it has to. We have to see who really bought it.
Yeah.
Or-
So no, we don't want to sign Tiger.
Okay.
Okay. So that is, guys. So that's Wrap Hot Sauce.
Yep.
Go ahead and click below, right there,
Below.
and there's a link to our hot sauce.
Oh yeah, you could buy 3, so you could buy all of them.
Yeah, you can buy all 3 right here.
One person.
Made from
equals 3.
Tiger, especially
But
from
if-
Tiger.
But if anyone wants to buy one, then they get one of this. One of
Yeah.
these.
Yep, there it is. We only got 3 hot sauce. Good
Actually,
job,
no,
Tiger.
we
What?
have 4.
Oh, we have 4. Yeah.
Well, should we keep one for display or?
Yeah, we'll keep one for display. This one.
This one,
And
the
these
one-
one we sell online.
Okay.
Good
So
job,
I guess
Tiger.
we're just selling 3.
Yes. Okay, guys. Tiger, what you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Make sure you go check out hot sauce online.
Yep.
Wraphotsauce.com, guys. There's a link below, okay? And give this video a thumb up.
Thumb up.
And we gotta go. Bye-bye. What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.